Look, Bemu is inside the house. Look, I'm drawing Bemu inside the house. Look, here's a house. Okay. And who is inside? Look, here's the door. Who is inside the house? Look, it's Bemu. Look, Bemu is angry. Look, Bemu in the house is angry. Look, he's
Where's
throwing
Bemu?
his thing.
Bemu's gone.
Come, Bemu, look. Look, Bemu in the house is angry. Look, O, uta, out. See, letter U can make two sounds. U and A. Here it means sound U. ते दाखव. O, uta, out. त्याला दाखव. Okay, look, Bemu, look. तिकडे नका जाऊ, इकडे चला. Look, here is Bemu outside the house. Look, Bemu is outside the house now. Wow, it's a nice house. Look, Bemu is playing outside the house. Here is Bemu. Look, he's jumping. Now he's happy. Look, Bemu is jumping. Wow, Bemu is jumping so high like a grasshopper. Look. Bemu, you're missing out. Look, it's fun. Ina, in. Letter I, make sound E. Na, Ina, in. Bemu is in the house. He's stuck in the house because of the lockdown. So he's not happy. O, uta, out. Bemu is out. Now he's happy. O makes O. U, letter U can make the sound A and can make the sound U. Here it makes U. O, uta, out. Out. In and out. See? Here is Bemu inside the house. Here is Bemu outside the house. See? Bemu is in the house. Bemu is out of the house. Very good. Let's finish this one. Okay? In and out are opposites. See? They are totally different. They are not just different, but they are the opposite of each other. Okay? Different is not the same as opposite. Okay? Now, here are two more words. Look. A, sa, e, ta. What is this word? Look. What is this word? Very good. A, sa, e, ta. Exit. And here's the other word. Allah.
He doesn't like the knot on the I.
A, na, ta, era. What is this? I will draw it. First you read this word.
Can you
A.
please draw an exit?
You read this word. Come.
Can you please draw an exit?
You draw an exit first, then he'll read the
Here's a
other one.
door. It's an open door. Okay, and what is written on the top of the door? Exit. Look, you can go out this way. See, just go out like this. Okay?
Such a nice dog.
Exit. What is this word? A, na, ta, era. What is it? A, na, ta, era. What is it? Enter. Enter. Enter means to come in. Exit means to go out. Look, here's the door and Bemu is going inside through the door. Look. Look, here comes Bemu. Look, Bemu is walking through the door. Are you recording the eye?
Yeah.
Look, Bemu is going inside. Look. Look, Bemu is going inside. Bemu is wearing a nice hat. Wow. Bemu is smiling. Look. Draw Bemu again. Draw proper Bemu. There's Bemu. Wow, what a big head.
Wait, what?
Look, it's a nice hat. Bemu is smiling. Look. Look, Bemu is smiling while he's entering the house. Look. A, sa, e, ta. Look, look. X, sa, e, ta. Exit. A, na, ta, era. Enter. When you join the sounds of the letters together, you get a particular sound
Baba,
which is
Can you
a
do
word, which has a meaning.
Baba, you can do
Therefore,
Baba.
you get- yes, very good. A, na, ta, era. Enter. X, sa, e, ta. Exit. Okay? So, exit and enter are opposites.
You could
Okay.
have a sense. Baba,
Very good.
can you be the Baba's dog one sense?
Yes. Come. Okay? Look, here's another one. Now see, here is U, letter U, which means here it will sound A. Letter U can make two sounds, A and U. Here it means sound A. Pa. What is the word? Look, what is the word? Pa. What is it? Pa. Up. Okay, here letter U makes sound A, and P makes Pa. Up. Da or one. Very good.
You could say
Da is it?
Wow.
Awana.
Garbage letter.
The garbage truck. Read this word. Awana. You know this word. Awana.
Down.
Very good. Up. Awana down.
Baba,
Look.
Baba.
Look, here's a ramp. Can you see a ramp? It's a up ramp. You can go up. Look.
Baba.
So let's draw the car going up the ramp, okay? It is up. Look.
It could actually be going either up or down.
No, you can see the steering wheel, and cars are directional. Okay, here's the steering wheel. Look, it's going up. This car is going up. Okay. Look, Bemu's riding the car. Wow, Bemu ride the car up the slope. Look, it's going up. And here it's going down. Look, here's another ramp. Okay. And here the car is going down the ramp. Look.
Look, there's another one.
Look. Look, Bemu is taking the car down the ramp. Bemu, go down the ramp. Up. Down.
Different part. Schools then.
Very good. Up. Down. See? Go up this way. Go down this way. Okay. In the parking lot, in the multi-story car parking, you have some ramps which are up, and on the opposite side there are ramps which go down. See? Up.
Yes,
Baba
the
says
front part
that
is
one
open.
part is open.
Is the back part. It's not the front part.
Yes,
Okay.
Gino, the back part is open.
Letter U makes two sounds, okay? U and A. Here it makes sound A. Up. And down. Up and down. Look.
Baba, can you see the rubbish?
Very good. See, this car is going up. Up.
Wow, what nice
Down
rubbish.
and down. This car is going down. Okay? What are the other opposites that we have not covered? Can you think of any simple ones whose spellings are
Right
not
and wrong.
No. GHT is term maybe a bit difficult.
Baba, can you see the rubbish inside?
What can we look?
Night and day.
It's again GHT. Can you think of any other ones?
The rubbish coming.
I had thought of one. What was it?
Good and bad. Did you do that yet?
Okay, come, we can do good at that. Look, here it is, look. Look. Ga. Two O's make a U. Da. Ga, U, da. Good. And ba, and bad. Look, ga. Two O's make a U. Ga, U, da. Good. Ba, and bad. Look. Look, Bemu is doing something good here. What is Bemu doing? Look, Bemu is doing some good things.
Reading.
Like
He's reading.
he's reading a nice book. Wow. Bemu is reading a book. Bemu sitting down on his chair and reading a book. Wow, Bemu, very good. Look.
But for me, it's a bad thing to read a book.
Look it up. See Bemu's hand. He's
Double
doing-
standards.
Look, Bemu is reading a book. Very good. It's a good thing to do. Ga, u, da. Good.
What if it's a book on how to kill people?
At least you learn how to read. That's the important thing. Okay, what is the bad thing? Bemo, look at this.
Eating too much ice cream?
No, look, here's an even bad, even worse thing.
Hitting people.
No. Look, here is Bemo jumping into the big water. Should you jump into big water, Bemo? No, it's a bad thing. See, bad. Don't jump into big water.
What about throwing iPhone out?
The water will go over your nose. It will block your nose from inhaling air, and without air you cannot survive. Okay, so don't go into big water. See, good. Bad. See, this is a good thing. Reading is good. Okay, because that way you can get information and show Bemu.
Yes, Gino, it
Yes,
is
very
turning
good.
to the left. Clever.
Very good. Okay.
Baba, fish is turning to the west.
Stand to the left. Very good. Good. Look. Reading, playing, these are good things. Okay. Bad. Jumping into water, into deep water. playing near a road, these are bad things.
Throwing
Go and a
iPhone,
bad.
hitting
Look,
people.
should Bemu jump into the big water?
Boo.
No. Would a good. Should Bemu read? Yes, this is a good thing, so you should do it. Should you jump into big water? No. And a bad. It's a bad thing. Okay, let's try something else. Come. Try how many minutes has it been?
10.
Okay.
Can I sit on your back?
Almost 11.
Okay, let's do another one. Okay, look.
We have time for one last
Thank you,
one.
Dost. You taught
That's when
you
we stop.
reminded me of one nice pair of opposites. Look.
Right. You're staying.
And
Front.
Oh.
Oh, back.
Okay, look. Front. See, this is the front of the. This is the front. Show the eye. This is the front of the rubbish truck. Okay.
And
Hi, you look here. Front. Here's the show the truck. Here's the front of the truck.
Look, stop.
Duttu, thamba beta. Duttu. Back. Here's the back of the truck. Look, show the eye. Here's the back of the truck.
Look.
Eye.
What the hell?
Duttu, आता मी रावणार आहे. Look here now. Look, here's the back of the truck. See? Back. Here's the back of the truck.
Well, you can do this opposite because
Front.
I reminded it of.
Okay, Tai, you focus on this now. Front. Look, show the truck. Look, here's the front of the truck.
I was just playing with
Back. Here's the back of the truck. Look, here is the front of Bemu. This is Bemu's front.
the back of the Bemu.
Okay, look, show.
Okay.
Front. Tai, इकडे बघा बेटा. Front. Here is the front of your body, okay? Back. This is the back. Now are you showing the words? You did one time. Tai, शब्द बघा. Front. Back. Very good. Okay, now stop.